Tkachuk with a tough angle shot. Comes to Brock Nelson. Here's Nelson again. Behind the Tampa Bay net. Looks to send it out in front. Puck is loose. And Bishop has it.
You knew there was going to be a carryover. There's just a whole lot of dislike between these two groups because of the big shots. Big head shots, big body shots, bodies flying all over. And anytime there's a gathering of the clans, you're going to see mayhem in front of both goalies. And Ben Bishop is down. He is not moving right now. Now he's starting to move a little bit, but he's reaching for his head. And almost the back of his head right there, Kenny. All kinds of persistence by the Islanders. Loose pucks galore. You see Bernier come in. Nelson pushing back. Then he goes down. Bishop with a big response. Great opportunity down low for Ryan Strome. And right there, you see Bernier go down. And it almost looks as if Bishop's really uncomfortable. Right there.
London has been sent to the box. An early power play for the Islanders.
John Cooper wants to know how come Bernier didn't get called for the cross check, the one you just showed. And that's a perfect shot. That's why he's angry right now with the official.
Franz Nielsen back out to the point for Lenny. Half minute to go on the power play for the Islanders. Kulemin in front, score! Kyle Okposo! 1-0 Islanders!
Hasn't scored since game 1 of the Florida series, but he gets off the schneid here. Real good job of puck movement. And Nikolai Kulemin, get it, whip it, and a quick release by Kyle Okposo. Watches Franz Nielsen. Kulemin, you get it, don't dust it off, snap it off. And that's exactly what Okposo does. 1-0 Islanders.
Heavy hitting continues. This time Nelson on London. Bernier knocks the puck down. Centers one. It deflects. No signal yet. Puck is underneath Bishop. Off another hard carom off the inboards, Pierre. An Islander opportunity.
Presence in front off the carom. Right there from Strome. Where's that puck? There's Hickey, he's shooting it wide on purpose. He knows he's got Bernier down low. Bernier settles a bouncing puck down right out front to Strome. Again, I don't see the puck cross the line. But I don't see the puck there either. One of the assets of having a 6'8" goaltender, he takes up a lot of space. You don't see anything there.
The call on the ice stands. The puck does not enter the net. No goal.
Tavares comes in. Puck worked free by Thomas Hickey. Out for Pulock, who fires right on to the save by Bishop at the top of his crease.
That's more like Ben Bishop. No rebound there. Pulock loaded the gun and blasted away. All created by Tavares in the neutral zone on an awesome saucer pass. That allowed the Islanders to gain the zone and go to work. Tremendous job, loaded up, and there you see, no rebound there. That thing stuck to him like Velcro. Good job by Ben Bishop. And watch John Tavares here, Kenny. I mean, you can't teach this stuff. This is an amazing play. See that backhand saucer pass around Ryan Callahan. That allows Pulock to get to the offensive zone and get a shot on.
Islanders with a 1-0 lead. Pass from Hedman could not be handled by Killorn, and then a big hit at center ice on Okposo by Kucherov.
Tavares hung Okposo out to dry. What a hit by Kucherov. It's a good thing that's not a bigger guy. Kucherov's not overly large, or that would have left a mark for Okposo.
10 Eastern tomorrow night.
Looking forward to seeing Doc Emrick down in Washington tomorrow for that huge Game 5 between Pittsburgh and Washington. Kenny, I think I'll see you in Tampa Bay on Sunday.
You will for Game 5 of this series. Now, Pierre, we've talked about my discussion with Bishop, that when he mentioned that he likes to take something from the opposing goaltenders. I asked him about Greiss, and Bishop brought up that Greiss is one of the best on breakaways and in shootouts during the regular season. He says he always stays low. You think back to the save he made on that overtime penalty shot against Alexander Barkov in the first round of the Stanley Cup playoffs. And Greiss, it turns out, leads all active goaltenders during shootouts in the regular season in his career at 83%, but he is heading off to the Islander locker room for more repairs. So J.F. Berube will come on in relief. Nielsen and Kuhlman, the penalty-killing forwards, as Palat carries across, stick handling. Palat to the net, bouncing puck. Berube had it for a moment, kept alive by the Lightning. Callahan works it back out for Garrison. Into the Tampa Bay zone, Oposo cutting for the net. Oposo takes the pass, shoots, and a save by Bishop off the setup from Tavares. Islanders look to extend their lead, but Bishop says no. Here comes Palat for Jonathan Drouin. Drouin looks to cut to the slot. Now Schuster fires through a screen. Puck cleared by Tavares out to the point. Filppula is on it there. Here comes Kuhlman for Nielsen with the Islanders shorthanded. Now across to the Hahn. And a save by Bishop, who came out, cut down the angle on the Islander defenseman. And now the Islanders will kill some time while down to the far side for Drouin. Back up the boards to Victor Hedman. And then across for Nikita Kucherov, who fires. Knocked down by Greiss. And then Bailey controls. And Bailey clears it for the Islanders with under a minute to go in the period and exactly 1 minute remaining on the Islander penalty. Killorn and Leddy. Now Johnson in behind the net, looks to get it out in front to Killorn. Now goes the other way for Kucherov. He scores! Nikita Kucherov on the feed from Tyler Johnson ties the game at 1.
He's just a lethal weapon. He breaks your heart almost all the time because he's so strong in his stick and he's got a lightning quick release. Great pressure by Alex Killorn on Nick Leddy. Down low, Tyler Johnson hard on it. Staying hard on it. And then the quick release, Johnson out. And look how quick Nikita Kucherov gets this on his stick and off. Get it, release it, and it beats Greiss short side. What a play by the triplets, and in particular Killorn, who was on that line with Johnson and Kucherov.
Kenny Albert, Pierre McGuire. Game 4 of this series after another big hit. Now Cizikas, and across the line. Casey Cizikas in front. But Coleman could not get his stick on the puck. Out for Garrison. Sends towards the net. Blocked in front by Boychuk. Puck comes to Schuster. Now Garrison with a drive. He scores! The Lightning win game 4. A minute 34 seconds into overtime as Jason Garrison beats Thomas Greiss. The Lightning lead the series 3-1.